I almost didn't go to work today. What's up guys, and welcome to my very first vlog here in Paris. So to make a long story short, I'm a private driver here in Paris and I also live here. Today is Sunday, which is usually kind of slow, and I didn't really feel like going out today. You know what, screw it, let's go outside, let's film a video, let's find some work. I'm gonna fire up my Uber app to see if I can catch some rides around the city. So yeah, today I'm taking you with me and let's see what happens. So, bottom line, I'm actually happy I decided to go to work today because I ended up making a bunch of money with Uber and Bolt, maybe $100 or so. So it's actually a pretty good day. It was really sunny in Paris. The city was beautiful as always. So yeah, it was definitely a good idea to go out today. So yeah, since I still have a bit of a daylight, maybe I will go for another ride, but for fun this time, not for work, with another car that's way cooler than this one. And that's it. That was a really cool day, guys. I will see you in the next video, guys, and in the meantime, have fun.